3, 2, 1. Penis! Queen! Welcome to Papa BrarHive's kitchen, where we make amazing food and also verbally abuse the food as we do it because we have no self-respect. Today we'll be making something that all brown people love. Cha. But for you white people there, cha could also mean chai latte, chai tea, brown milk. What? So, to properly make cha, you need two things. One, you need a pot, okay? Not the... As you can tell, I've never smoked weed in my life. Two, you need some tea. Josh, where's the tea? This video is brought to you by Tetley. Remember guys, if it's not Tetley, it's ass.
For legal reasons, this video was not brought to you by Tetley.
First step, you grab your pot. Second step, you go to your thing. Third step, you get water.
I wanna go home.
Fuck, that's too much. And you won't get what you need. Slap that bitch. Like my wife slapped me when I told her that I cheated on her. Delilah. I'm sorry. Take me back. Bitch! Second step. You get the water. You put it on the stove and you play my mixtape, which is fire. Now when it's on the fire, then you wait until there's bubbles. Second, you need the tea bags, and I'm making two. Huh?
Isn't step 3 4?
So, step 3, you need 2 tea bags. Normally you just have 1, but because BrarHive Entertainment does not pay any of its employees, Josh, you get paid in cha. Are you okay with that?
No.
Fuck off.
Okay.
Yes. And then, like Kyrie, you shoot. So now when the tea bag enters, it's going to turn the water from clear to brown, okay? Which is basically how Northeast Calgary is, and Surrey, versus white people places. And then brown people came and made it all brown. Hey, you wanna know a secret? Add some masala to make it. Shh. We'll do a blood pack later so you end this is between us. I'll start. You have to do it too! To add a little pinch! Next, you gotta add the milk. Remember, you gotta use the cow's milk, alright? If you use like almond milk, you're a piece of shit. If you use soy milk, you're a piece of shit. Grab it from a cow's tits. And then, here. Bitch. Next, you want to get a strainer so you can divide the hard shit in the cha with the liquid shit in the cha. You gotta divide it just like how the divorce lawyer divided me from my kids. And now you're gonna add sugar. But what kind of sugar are you gonna put into your cha? That's very important. You wanna use brown sugar. Why? Because it's higher in molasses. Molasses, I don't know what the fuck it is. All I know is that makes that shit like crisp. Hey guys, Editor Mehtab here. I just want to say you guys can also use white sugar along with the brown sugar, alright? Because nothing bad ever comes out of interracial. Alright, back to the video. You have your cha, but what do you put in your cha? You put some Parley G. Josh, where's the Parley G? This video is brought to you by Parley G.
For legal reasons, this video was not actually brought to you by Parley G.
So now, you have your cha, you have your Parley G. Now you enjoy. Fuck, that's hot! Thank you for watching this episode of BrarHive Cooks. Join us next time when we cook spotted dick. Today we're gonna make some cha. Just a few steps and then ta-da. It's not that hard, let me show you the power of music. You can do it too. And now you're gonna add sugar. But But what kind of sugar are you going to put into your jaw? That's very important. Are you going to use the sugar of the white man? The
White man!